Okay. Because I'm like, well, I feel like it's easiest since I've been the one that's been doing it, and I don't mind doing it. I just
Yeah, that's
Fine with me.
great for us, I think,
okay.
because you know how to do it and we don't really.
Okay, well that's fine, and I don't mind doing it. I have no problems doing it. I just don't want to make you guys feel like I had to do it or something. So
Totally fine.
okay,
Yep.
Great.
cool. All right, should we get started?
Yeah, let's look
Yep.
at it.
So scores in the quantitative portion of the GRE are approximately normally distributed with the mean. It gives us two numbers there, the 150.8 and 8. Right?
Yeah, they gave
Yeah.
us the numbers on number A.
That was pretty easy.
Yeah.
It's all right there. So let's see. What proportion of people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE would score above 165? So I was a little confused at first. So I see like is there's the Z score, right? Was that what it was asking, or is quantitative like is that what it was asking? Was Z score?
So you have to get the Z-score, and then if you did that, did you ever use that app? That they were the normal distribution app or something?
I didn't remember using that. So
Yeah, so it's
It
in
was,
the book. It's in the
okay.
text, and you just type on it, and then at the very bottom you type in the Z-score, so whatever you get, and then at the top that's the probability.
So will that give you like some? What was it? Like, 'cause I looked in the answer key to just see like what I needed to do, and it was like the 0.05 number or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, so
So if
that's
you
probably
Yeah.
so if you type in the Z-score, so to get the Z-score you do the mean minus, or not the mean, the
that's the
observed,
number that gave you that
yeah, that they give
165
you. So the 165 minus
mean
150.8 divided by
divided by
8.8. Yeah.
okay.
Then you get 1.6136, I think.
Yeah, and I got that. I got the Z score. That was
Okay.
just didn't know
Yeah,
what.
and
so
then
then,
go
if you
ahead.
look on, like on this group meeting, there's like this normal probability applet link that you can click on.
Okay, I see that.
Yeah, so click on that and it'll pull up that it's like a normal curve, and you can type that number in for the Z-score, and
Oh,
then
see,
whatever.
I didn't even realize that. Cool.
Yeah, and then let's see, it's asking what the score above will be, so if you just click on the area above that Z-score, that'll give you the probability that their score lies in that range.
Okay.
Yeah, that's something that I kept doing wrong. I didn't read that if it was asking for above or below or in between. So you have to make sure you look at that and type it in.
Yeah.
And then sometimes if you type it in and then you click on it, like on the above or below, then it changes the top number. So you just have to make sure that it's typed it correctly. Sometimes it switches it, I think.
Okay. Cool.
So did everyone get 0.0533?
Yeah.
Okay.
On there. So, okay. All right.
Okay.
Student
So
score 10th percentile. What would be the corresponding Z score?
this
So
is where the
that gives you
app.
yeah.
Go ahead, Chris. Sorry.
I was gonna say you can just, instead of typing or changing the Z-score, now you just in the area you put 0.1, and that'll give you the Z-score for the 10th percentile or whatever.
And that's again all on that same thing, right? You said.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that app is used a lot.
It's kind of nice.
Yeah, it is.
So then, did you guys get negative 1.282?
Yep.
Okay. Because the 10th percentile is the middle and below, right?
The middle and below. What do you mean by that?
So in the app, so in the curve, so is it in the middle part of the curve?
Oh, I just did the left part.
Okay, the left. Okay. I think I did that too. I don't have it pulled up, but
Yeah.
let me see. Oops. Okay, yeah. Okay, so D, what is the quantitative GRE score for a student who scores in the 10th percentile?
Did everyone figure out how to do this one?
Yeah, so let me see. Isn't it a different, it's a
You take
different, go ahead.
the mean plus the z-score plus the well,
Times the
standard,
standard deviation.
yeah, plus the mean score times the standard deviation, and that will give you
139.51.
yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
So, yeah, I guess you have everything in the equation now but that x value, so you
Yeah.
can just plug the numbers in there and solve for it.
Yeah. Okay. And then number 7, it's the same thing. A gives you the numbers.
Yeah.
1800 and 600. And then B.
What is the probability that a random selected particle is 700 meters per second? Solution. Find it is, you use again that formula, the standard E equals the x minus the u looking thing over sigma
Yep.
standard deviation. So 2500 to 1.166.
Yep.
You put that into the app, right?
Yep.
Yep.
It'll give you 0.122, 217, something like that.
Yeah, I got 0.1216.
Yep.
Okay.
So if you round it to 3, it'd be 0.122. Yeah.
What is the probability that a randomly selected particle will have a speed of less than 25 meters per second? You do the same thing again.
Yeah, or you can just do 1 minus the
1 minus.
number you got in the last one, because it's...
Oh, yes, that makes sense. You can use it. Okay.
Yep.
So, here we go. Okay. And then what is the probability that a random particle is speed that's less than 50 meters per second?
So sorry. So C, I didn't hear very well. So C, it's 0.8784, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then D, you did the same thing, but you just
Use
put
1500 instead.
1500 in there.
Yep.
Yep. And then you highlighted the area below
Yeah.
instead of above.
So it's 0.3085. Did we lose Brandon?
Yeah, he's somewhere. I don't know what happened.
Okay. Should I invite him again?
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, kidding.
there you go. Here.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
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 Oh yeah, I don't know what happened. My internet just cut out for a little bit.
It's all right.
Okay. Where'd you lose us at?
I think we were doing letter E was the probability a randomly selected particle has a speed of between 1500 and 2500.
Okay.
Yep.
So did everyone get the answer to this?
Yeah, I just took the probability from C minus the probability from D. those two answers. I just subtracted
Yeah.
them.
Yeah, I got that.
If you can do that.
And you get 0.5699.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep.
That was like 569, you said?
Yeah.
Something like that?
Yeah.
What's the third quartile of 5 meter? So the third quartile is the 75th percentile. That is the value of the speed of the larger. So we're basically just going to the third percent of the third Q3, right? And then you just find the number of Q3. Now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or you
Yeah.
can put in that app, can't you put 75%?
0.75.
0.75
Yep,
Yeah.
that works too.
below.
Yeah.
Now what else did they ask? Ask anything else?
What's that?
And
You're kind of
then-
cutting out.
Was there anything else we needed to find, or was that just that part of it? What is the third quartile?
Yeah, just the Z-score of the 75th percentile.
And then you plug that in
And
and find the
then-
number
The
Oh,
X.
yeah.
for the actual speed.
Yeah.
So then, yeah, so you do X equals 1800 plus 0.67449 times 600. And you get 2204.4, right?
Yep.
Okay. Nice. Okay. And then the QQ plots. Did you guys understand these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
for the most part.
Makes sense.
They're
It's pretty easy.
pretty easy.
Basically, if it's not a
So-
straight line, then it's not a
Yeah,
normal distribution.
then
Yeah.
it's not normal.
We're lying through it, then
Sorry. Can you guys? we have kid drama. They're not in bed.
hopefully fine.
So plot A is not normal.
Yep.
Plot B. Oh, justify our answer. Sorry, we have to justify.
Because if you look at that, it's like a straight shot. That curve goes straight up. There's like
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
curve near
Yeah.
hull. If you're to try to run a line through that, like, and you're looking on an Excel sheet, your R, which tells you like how accurate it is, would be horrible. You really love
Yes,
it.
it would.
Yeah.
So same thing with number 2. It's like if R would be better, but you can still see that curve with that jumping, so it's not a normal
Yep.
Q plot.
Yep.
Yeah, it's one of those S-shaped ones.
Yep.
Like C and D are normal.
C and D are yes.
I'd say those
Yeah.
are normal.
Yeah. I do
Yep.
too.
E definitely has a curve in it,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's definitely got curves.
and F's
Almost-
pretty
at first
straight.
it's kind of hard,
Yeah.
At first it's kind of hard to see that, and then it's that small little curve right there, but it definitely changes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just kind of goes in an S.
But it helped me if I just put a straight line through, and then you
Yeah.
can totally tell if it
Yeah.
follows it or not. So
And that obviously is normal. Again, it's really linear. It's a straight line.
Yeah. okay,
Should we start the quiz?
do the quiz.
Yeah, let's start the quiz.
Okay. Okay, are you guys there?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
number 3, the total area under a density must equal 1.
Yep.
Should we type in one or put the number in?
What was
What
that?
was that?
Should we type in one or put the number in?
I just put the
I just
number.
typed in 1.
Yeah, the number.
So under certain circumstances, the density curve can drop below the x-axis.
That's false.
Yep.
Yeah, that would make sense.
A normal density curve is symmetric. True.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents a t-score in this image? Would it be,
C.
C. Yep.
yeah,
Yeah.
which of the elements of the figure represents the probability that random variable will be greater than B. That be B.
Yeah, that's B.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then what portion of the data will be within 1 standard deviation of the mean?
So that's 68%, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Variable B. The applicant requests what so
Yeah, I can't either.
I think someone's cutting out.
Yeah.
all right. So can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So number 9 is just saying that we need to use the applet, right?
So what's it? It's saying the random variable z has a standard normal distribution. What proportion of the values of this random variable will be between -1 and 1? Is that asking for a z-score between -1 and 1?
No, I think it's from this random variable. Oh, I don't know. I think the z-score is -1 and 1.
Right, so if
Because
we
they're
go by
asking for-
probability.
Yeah, if you just put in 1, but it says between, so it's the middle number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I got 0.6827, is that right?
Yeah,
what do we
but
put-
it'll be 0.683 because she wants 3 decimal places, right?
Yeah.
How do we? Okay, I'm in that split, so let's put -1 and 1 in both sides, and
Uh-huh.
And then you get the middle one, right?
And click on the middle one, yeah.
Yeah,
So
0.683.
only the middle is highlighted. Blue.
Okay, so 0.683.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Okay, so do the same thing but as 2.
Yep.
And this one's asking, okay, yeah, same thing between.
Just -2 and 2.
So I got 0.955.
Yep.
Yeah. 0.9555.
-3 and -7 to 0.99.
997.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Yeah, 0.997.
Look carefully at your answers to the last 2 questions. What do you observe? As the z-score increases, the area between the -z and t decreases.
I think it's the last one.
Yeah.
68, 95, and 99.7, yeah.
Yeah, they just
Yeah.
gave us the 1, 2, 3 standard deviations.
Cool.
Wait, so what? The last one?
So the values
Yeah.
match the 68.
Oh, okay. That's the
68,
second one.
95.
I'm sorry.
Oh, 99.7 rule. Sorry, we should.
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, the value
That was
matched.
the
That was
last
my
one.
last one. So, sorry.
Same with
No,
mine.
you're fine. Okay. Yeah, that's the right answer, I think so.
Okay.
The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest the protein requirement to be normally distributed in the population unit state. Protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram body weight. Population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.66 grams of protein per kilogram.
Okay, so 0.66 is the mean,
Yep.
and standard deviation is 0.07.
0.07. And in 13, it's asking for what's less than 0.6.
So it's
Okay.
points minus 0.66.
So 0.6 divided by 0.07. So you'd have -0.857 as your z-score.
And we're asking for what proportion? So is that what we're looking for? Is that
And
Z-score,
then
or
once you find the z-score, you have to plug it into that applet, and then it'll give you the proportion.
Yeah.
That's, okay. What was the Z-score again?
Did you get
Negative
0.196?
Yep, that's what I got.
So the z-score, I got 0.857. Negative 0.8. Okay.
Yep.
And then it's asking for less than, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And then so it's 0.196.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. 196.
And then it's asking for what would be more, which should be 1 minus 0.196, which is 0.8.
0.804.
Yep.
Yeah. That's what it gets if you highlight the other two areas.
Yeah, it does.
So it's 0.804.
Which one's that? What for? What question?
14, right? 0.804.
Yeah.
Okay, what
Yep.
part? I missed what 13 was. Like, I couldn't.
13 is 0.196.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're fine.
No, fine.
Okay, and then this one we just have to do 70 minus 0.66 divided by 0.7.
Yep.
Yep.
And then everything less than that z-score.
What did you guys get for the z-score?
I got 0.571.
Okay, yeah, that's what I got.
Okay.
And
So
then
that
my
bring it.
probability was 0.716.
What, did they say less than or more than?
Is less than
Less
0.7.
than.
So we just have to highlight that lower area, right?
But I think you have to highlight the middle area too, because you have a positive z-score, so that
Yeah.
value corresponds to the positive z-score, so everything
Okay.
less than that.
So 0.716.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Sorry, my phone went cut out. I have no idea.
You're fine. What was that? What was that, Joe? Did he get it?
I don't know. I thought he said his mic was cutting out.
Yeah, I think it says he left on the side there.
He'll probably come back in a second.
Yeah.
So on the last one, would we subtract? Don't we just subtract the z-scores, or do we subtract the probabilities?
I think we just had to subtract the probabilities.
Probabilities, that's right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
So for that one, you would do 0.716 minus 0.196, right?
Wait, where'd you get 9? Oh,
So that's the
Oh, because-
probability that's
yeah,
less
sorry.
than 0.6.
Yeah.
yeah.
And then there's the probability that's less than 0.7. So if you take the 0.6 one from the 0.7 one, then you should get what's in between, I think.
So what'd you guys get?
0.52.
Okay, that's what I got too.
But
But it says 3 decimal places, so put a 0 on the end of it.
yeah, I wish that wasn't so picky, because
I know.
I worry that we'll get all these answers wrong just because maybe she didn't put a 0 in front of them or something.
Yeah.
I know.
Can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. My phone just went haywire and shit turned off. So
No, you're fine. Where were you at? I know you were saying you were missing some.
I was on 15.
Okay.
Okay.
So 15 we got 0.716.
Okay. And then did you guys get 16?
Yeah, and then 16 we did. You just do 15 minus 13, the answer that you got in those.
Okay.
Right?
So
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
which is 0.52, but you have to put a 0 on the end because it's 3 decimal places. So 0.520.
2, 0. Okay.
Yep.
Have you already submitted it?
No, I can go ahead. I haven't done it yet.
Not
So
Okay.
Okay.
100. Right on.
Nice.
Perfect.
So bad so far, Chris. You're the only one that's had any issues with the score.
Yeah.
I know.
That's all right.
Sorry.
It's not a big deal.
We'll just have to get the
Alright.
rest right. from now
I don't
on.
think these are worth very many points. I think the homework's worth a lot more, like those
And
homework quizzes.
tests are 60%, so tests are
Yeah.
the big chunk. So
Yeah, I'm not too worried about getting an 86% on one of these.
yeah.
So,
All right.
all right, thanks guys.
Okay,
Yeah.
so Monday 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good weekend, guys.
Yeah.
You too.
It's
Okay.
work.
See ya.
Yep. See you guys.